What's up, y'all? About to cook for you. I'm gonna cook this meal prep paired by meal kits right here. Found this at Fred Meyer's. Boom. Just gonna see how it is. See what they got in here. You know what I mean? They got a lot of stuff, so let's get cracking, son. Yeah. Bam. First up, opening this bad boy. See what we got up in here. Some leafy greens. Some cilantro. Oh, pre-proportioned cut onions. Some mango. Crushed red peps. Looks like a freaking pizzeria. Some brown sauce. Look at that. It's like enchilada sauce. And some chicken breasts. And the lime. Let's go. Yeah, let's start this bad boy up, huh? Right here it says, preheat the oven to 375. So let's go right on over here. Here we are, preheating the oven to 375. Let's get in here in this oven guy. Okay. It says a tablespoon, so we're just gonna, yeah. There it is. This is how you know it's hot enough. Get your finger wet. Yep. Hear that sizzle? Hot enough to stew it. Let's freaking do it. Nothing to it but to do it, right? All right. Cut this bad boy open. Chicken in here. It says season with salt and pepper, and we're gonna do this for 4 to 5 minutes. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. And we're just supposed to golden brown this, and then we're gonna put this Caribbean seasoning on there. That's that brown bag I saw. Okay. Back at the stove here. We're gonna have the crushed red pepper. Boom. Now let's put this bad boy right here in this oven here. Red onions. Finally preheated. That in there. Fire. Ooh. About half right there, I'd say. Crushed red pepper. Coming in right away. Set the timer. Emerald Lagasse this. Just put it in your hand. Right? Come down on 15 minutes. Boom. Let's go. Just kind of explode it out everywhere and make a big mess. Then you're going to want to grab your kale and get your kale ready. This will just cooking just to kind of bring the aroma out of the onions and the peppers. It's going to get a nice flavor to it before we add these bad boys. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. The onions and the peppers have done pop tamale. They sweating. That's what they call it on the thing that says sweat. So now, go ahead and eat some. Drop some on there. Alright, good. We're just waiting for all the water to evaporate off these bad boys. Looking good though, yeah. Okay, most of the water's evaporated off this, so we're gonna take this off and set it aside and start making some salsa. Aya! Arriba, arriba! Here's a salsa in on this, because we're finna make some salsa up in this joint. First off, get a sharp ass knife. Be careful, because it's sharp, alright? Get your freaking lime. We're gonna throw that behind the back real quick. Catch it, cut it in half. Whoa, wow, that's not half. Look at that. Anyways, get the mangoes. Boom. Look at that, mangoes. Cilantro. Boom. Look at that cilantro. And we're gonna make some freaking salsa. Take your cilantro, dump it out. Oh, I forgot to mention. Also, get the remainder of your handy dandy red onions also. Put that in a mixing bowl like this size. Look at that. Mixing bowl. Dope. Alright, now cut yourself. Get off me, plastic. Okay, cut them into tiny pieces. And then comes the part where you feel like a professional. Take that, add it to your bowl. And don't smoke it, because it's green, but it's cilantro, not weed. Also take the mangoes, because you love them so much. Cut them open. Add those right to your bowl as well. Yeah. And now, squeeze your limes in slow motion into the bowl. So now you got your mango salsa. Don't eat it. Set it aside with your kale and stuff that you got going on, because that's done. This is done. Only thing left is, oh wait, what do you know? That's done too. So let's just assemble the meal. Assemble it all. Make it cool looking. Put it on a plate. Put the rest in a Tupperware and save it for lunch tomorrow, right? Yeah! Do this. Chicken. One corner. Ow. Bug. Get your kale stuff, son. Put it on down in another corner. Then bust your mango salsa out and go ahead and, I don't know what we should put this on the side or the, put a little bit on the chicken. Like that. Looks good to me, son. Take a look. Now that you got your food done, you better try it. So I'm going to try this in front of y'all and tell you what I think about it. First off, I'm going to use a way too big a knife. Chicken looks cooked pretty good. I'm going to scoop a little everything on there, you know what I mean? Roll that up. Scoop a little bit of this on there. Not a clean bite, but who cares? You're eating to get meat inside you, yeah. Wow. This chicken's a little bit, I don't know, not the greatest quality, I would say. And the kale was just super chewy. Like, you'll spend 15 hours just chewing that one bite. But this mango salsa, fire! I'm about to use this recipe for the mango salsa, for sure. Caribbean jerk seasoning on top, really good. A1 on that as well. Overall, I'm not a fan of the combo with the kale. It's really chewy, you know. Maybe I just didn't cook it good enough, but I'm not a kale cooker, so what can I do, you know? Anywho, I'm going to say this is like a solid 2.5 out of 5 stars. You know, it's tight and quick and easy to make. Wow, that took way less time than I imagined, but overall, it's Fred Meyer's quality. Whatever. Do what you want. Mike. Fucking out this bitch. Yeah.